I'm Amy from Doodle Dog Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to thread your punch needle. Let's get started. Threading the punch needle is a two-step process. Whether you are using an Ultra punch needle or a CTR punch needle, you need to thread the needle both through the tube and through the eye of the needle. First, you're going to thread the floss through the long tube. Just insert the end of the threader through the hole in the needle and push it all the way until it comes out the other end. And then you want to put your floss through the loop of the needle threader and then pull the floss through the tube. And then you take the threader off of the floss. The next step is to thread the eye of the needle, which you'll see is a hole right here in the very tip of the needle. You look real close, there's a rounded side to the needle and a beveled side to the needle, and the beveled side is where the floss is coming out right now. So you need to get the floss through the eye of the needle and onto the rounded side. So to do that, you want to take the needle threader and put it in the through the eye of the needle from the rounded side, and put the floss through the threader, and then pull the threader out and take the threader off the floss, and it will be through the eye of the needle and through the tube. Now you're ready to start punching. I hope you found that helpful. Be sure to click the like button and subscribe below. I'll see you next time. Bye.